Hello, friends. Today, I am going to tell you the story of the 5 big construction machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 big construction machines. 5 big machines at the construction site worked with all their might. The foreman called the dump truck away. Dump truck! Then there were 4 big machines left that day. 4 big machines at the construction site. The workers worked with all their might. The foreman called the bulldozer away. Bulldozer, we need you. Then there were 3 big machines left that day. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. There's still 3. 3 big machines at the construction site worked with all their might. The foreman called the steamroller away. Steamroller, we need you over here. Then 2 big machines were left that day. 1, 2. 2 big machines at the construction site worked with all their might. The foreman called the excavator away. Oh boy, now they need to dig something at the construction site. Then, 1 little machine was left that day. 1 big machine at the construction site worked with all its might. The foreman called the cement mixer away. We need you, we need to pour cement. Then no more big machines were left that day.